Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the kicker scanner indicator.
But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon.
Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the kicker scanner indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 45 different strategies, with 12 of them being winners. We've also tested a total of 507 indicators, with 209 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. Keep in mind that we test all these indicators and strategies on the Forex market, but they can be applied to just about any market universally. Alright, so today's indicator is the kicker scanner. And you can kind of see it here on screen. And so basically what we are looking for, you can barely see. If I zoom in here, it's a little bit easier to see. There's these arrows here, green and red arrows, and you can see the bullish kicker and the bearish kicker. And so that's what we are looking for. Obviously, when we get a bearish kicker with a green arrow up, we are going to go long. When we get a bearish kicker with a red arrow down, then we are going to go short. So relatively simple, not much to it. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of this. We pick up our first signal right there. That is a long signal, and you can see price action pushes up pretty nicely there, getting us to the take profit pretty easy. Let's go ahead and continue on. Alright, so that's going to be our second signal right there. It was a bearish kicker, and so we entered short. You can see price action pushes down there just a little bit, but that is enough to come down and hit the take profit. So let's go ahead and continue on. Looks like we're going to be able to get to the end of the year on this one. All right, so then we pick up another bearish kicker right there. You can see though this one ends up getting stopped out as the price action pushes to the upside really hard right after we got the signal. All right, so that puts us at the end of the year right there. Before we add these up, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below, as well as a link to our Discord. Once you sign up as a patron, it'll give you access to the Patreon only channel, where we post some really great advanced information about trading strategies, trading indicators, trading philosophy in general. Our admin Jay and some of the regular members post regular market analysis, where they put up screenshots of charts where they've marked out areas of support and resistance, indicators that they're using, exactly when they're entering trades, exiting trades, taking profits, the whole deal. They're growing small accounts really quickly with the information that they're putting out for everyone to see. And as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, you'll get access to the full list of indicators that we have tested, that we have recently had transferred over into an Excel sheet. And so you get access to the Excel sheet and the PDF of all the indicators, showing exactly which indicators were winners, which ones were losers, as well as their win rates. And you'll get access to a Excel sheet of all the strategies that we have tested. That shows exactly which strategies were winners, which ones were losers, their win rates, as well as links to go back and review those individual videos. And another new thing that we've been doing here recently is one of our other members has put together a small handful of profitable optimized indicators that we are giving away to all the patrons for free. So there is a ton of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel, and it doesn't cost hardly anything at all. I highly recommend it. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at our indicator here. I think this one is pretty easy. So we have the 1, 2, and 3 trades all together, 3 signals, and we have the 2 winners here. And so that is going to make it to the 60% criteria. Again, it is a shame because this one definitely, I wish it would have had more trades in 1 year's time. Obviously 3 trades is not going to be an ideal setup for trading within 1 year. Just miss a ton of price action that we could have been involved in. So but nonetheless, this one is going to go on the yes list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.